halves of our bowl glued up, we are now ready to see how these two surfaces match up. And there's a gap, which is pretty usual. It's not unusual at all to have a gap like this, because the table saw is only going to 1/10 of a degree and not any finer, and when you multiply that times the set 12 different segments, then you have a gap. So what we do now is go to the disc sander. We go ahead and mark this with a pencil, and then we'll go ahead and lay this on the table. Check this for 90 degrees, and we'll sand that until it's flat. You can look and see we still have pencil marks. Slightly push that up against your disc sander, and we're almost flat there. And that looks pretty good. We'll take the next one. Putting the larger diameter down for stability. That looks pretty good. We then put these two together and hold them up against the light to see if there's any light shining through, any gaps. There aren't any gaps, so that's ready now to be glued up.